Thank you. Your copy of Microsoft Office LTC Professional Plus 2024 preview is activated. Now, activated na yung ating LTC Professional Plus 2024. To confirm that, go to account ulit. Then, as you can see, product activated. Hello guys, today we will going to install a Microsoft Office 2024. So, first, papakita ko lang na i-check lang natin yung computer natin is walang may naka-install na Microsoft Office. Yan. Let's say Word or yung Excel or yung PowerPoint. Para makapag-install tayo, so we will not use here a crack or a patch version of software, kundi gagamit tayo ng mismong software provided by Microsoft. So, first we will download the ODT. So, here's the link. Copy-paste natin yan dito. By the way, nasa description yung link na to. So, you don't have to worry to manually type it to your computer. So, ayan. Ngayon, magda-download tayo ng Office Deployment Tool. Gagamitin natin to para required ito kasi nandito yung mga kailangan natin program para mag-install. Free lang yung ODT, so you don't have to worry. Magkikreate tayo ng new folder. Let's say dito, mag-new folder lang ako dito sa may download. Let's say Office 2024. Then ipapasok ko siya dito para hindi makalat. Open natin yung folder natin. Then itong Office Deployment Tool, iraran natin para mag-extract yung mga files na nasa loob nito. So, kung paano i-extract, just simply run this program. You can double click or right click. Okay. Click mo muna to, then right click. Then run as administrator. Okay. Then yes lang. Then click accept the license terms. And dito natin yung i-extract sa loob ng folder na to. So, we will find that location from, I think, sa libraries, meron ditong, ay wala. Let's say, so may profile ko, yan, downloads. So, nasa download tayo. Download, then look for the folder na create natin, yung Office 2024. Okay? And, files extracted successfully. Now, na-extract na yung file. We'll now proceed to the next step. Punta tayo sa, nandito yung instruction na ipapalo natin. Copy-paste lang din tong link na to dito. Guys, if meron man sa inyo na gusto magpagawa ng web-based system, please don't hesitate to contact me or visit my portfolio at rocket.ph. Maraming salamat. Then, meron dito sa baba na tinatawag natin na script, XML script. To, gagamitin natin to mamaya para sa pag-install. And also, this is the command to run the XML file. Now, kailangan natin ng PID key, which is, ito yung license na ilalagay natin dito sa XML file. That license is, ito yung KMS to activate. So, during installation, we need this key. Actually, tatlong klase ito guys na product. Meron tayong Professional Plus 2024. Meron ding Visio Pro 2024. Then Project Pro 2024. But in this tutorial, we will focus to install for the Microsoft Professional Plus 2024. So, itong line lang na to. Then, ito, ignore lang natin yung linya na yan. So, ganun din, may tatlong KMS dito, but magpo-focus lang tayo sa Office LTC 2024, which is using this product key for KMS activation. Okay? Now, let's copy-paste this script. Then, balik tayo dito sa folder na create natin dito. And, magkikreate ako dito ng file. Let's say, configuration. Okay? But, yung file na to is naka-text document. Kailangan natin baguhin ito sa .xml. Paano ba gawin yan? First, punta tayo dito sa view. Then, click nyo yung file name extension. Ayan. So, makikita na natin dito yung extension ng mga files natin. Ayan. Meron naman dito mga .xml pero hindi lang natin yung gagalawin. Let's focus to this file. For now, configuration.txt yung file natin. So, i-right click lang natin to. Click mo muna to. Yan, click mo, then right click. Then, go to rename. Now, tatanggalin natin yung .txt at papalitan natin na XML. Configuration.xml. Then, enter. Then, yes lang. Yan. After nyan, right-click ulit. Then, open with Notepad. Then, copy-paste natin yung code na kinopya natin galing dito sa website na to. Copy-paste natin to, itong script. Balik tayo dito, then paste. Now, ang tatanggalin natin guys is ito. Buburahin natin yung Visio Pro 2024. Then, this one. Project Pro 2024. We don't need that in this tutorial. So, ito lang yung kailangan natin. Okay, ayan. Now, tatanggalin natin to. Papalitan natin yung KMS for key activation. Okay. Balik tayo dito. KMS to activate. Then, we will use this product key. Copy, paste. Copy. And then, paste. Right click. Then paste. So, be sure na nasa gitna ng quotation yung product key. Okay? Then, save lang. Okay? Now, nakapag-create na tayo ng configuration file with product key for KMS activation. Yung next na gagawin natin, irarun na natin yung program. Itong program na ginawa natin, irarun na natin using this command. So, paano ba gawin yan? Pupunta lang tayo dito sa, mag-open tayo ng console. So, to open the console, click mo lang to, then CMD, type CMD. Okay, balik tayo. Dito sa may Explorer, tawag doon, yung sa Explorer mo, mayroon ditong field sa taas, yan. Buburahin mo lang yan, then itatype mo yung CMD. Okay? Then, hit enter. Then, mag-open yung command prompt. So, as you can see, yung command prompt natin is ganito yung path niya. Dapat yung path nito is the same kung ano yung path ng file natin. Okay? Kasi i-run natin itong XML file natin, i-run natin, dapat same yung path na nakikita natin dito. Okay? So, as you can see, user, GSO, downloads, then Office 2024. So, makakonfirm natin yan. Once na-type natin yung dir, makikita natin yung mga files na nasa loob nito. Which is yung ating mga configuration file. Ito yung created XML file natin. Then yung setup.exe, which is ito. Okay? Now, irarun na natin yan using the command based dito sa instruction. Copy paste this command. Then let's return here. Ayan. Okay, ayusin ko lang to. Ayan. Then paste natin dito. So to paste the command, just after nyo mag-copy dito, ayan, copy, then go back to console here, then right click, just right click. Oh, sorry, ulit. Highlight, copy, then right click. Okay. Now, pwede nyo namang i-manual i-type dito, pero ako nakasanayan ko na mag-copy paste lang para sure tayo na hindi tayo magkaka-typo error. Now, just hit enter. The moment na enter na natin to, mag-start na siya mag-download. Magda-download na siya ng Microsoft Office direct from Microsoft Server. Hit enter. Then, yes lang. Ayan. So, mag-aantay tayo na makapag-download siya and mag-automatic install na yan. So, be sure guys na may internet yung computer nyo. So as you can see, a message appear, installation is finished. So you're all set. Then let's close this dialog. Now let's try to open Microsoft Word. Okay, then let's accept the agreement. Next, send optional data or don't send optional data. Then let's go to account. So as you can see, Microsoft Office LTC Professional Plus 2024 preview activation is required. Now, go back to the instruction. Below, meron tayo ditong Mac to activation. So, kukopihan lang natin to. Ito yung gagamitin natin. Product key for Mac activation. Copy paste. Copy. Then, go back to your Microsoft Word. Then, change product key. Then, paste the Mac or Microsoft activation key, then activate Office. Now, nawala na yung warning dito, but i-close muna natin to. Ayan. Then i-close na natin to. Also, ayan. Then close na natin yan. Refresh, then open ulit yung Microsoft Word. Just type Word, then click. Okay. Now, a dialog box will appear. Microsoft Office LTC Professional Plus 2024 Preview Activation Wizard. Then, dito sa may recommended, click mo lang yan, then next. Then, mag-activate na siya. Thank you. Your copy of Microsoft Office LTC Professional Plus 2024 Preview is activated. Now, activated na yung ating LTC Professional Plus 2024. To confirm that, go to account ulit. Then, as you can see, product activated. Microsoft Office LTC Professional Plus 2024 Preview. Reminders lang guys. Yung activation na to is not lifetime. It's just temporary activation. I'm not sure kung gaano katagal to, but marami yung nagsasabi na it takes only few months, then need mo ulit activate. So this time, kailangan mo nang mag-activate using the lifetime license or yung yearly subscription license. So temporary activation lang to, then so you must purchase later a lifetime license for this version. Okay? So hopefully nagustuhan nyo yung tutorial na to. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share to your friends.